Hello everyone, I have many friends. You have few friends. She has a few friends. I have much money. You have little money. She has a little money. Would you like to know about these words? Let's talk about it. I am Jala, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I'm gonna speak about quantifiers. What do quantifiers mean? Quantifiers show the number, the quantity of words, but quantifiers don't show the exact number. For example, if I say, I have 2 books, you know the exact number of my book. But if I say, I have many books, you can't know the exact number of my book. If I say, I gave him $5, you know the exact amount of the money I gave him. But if I say, I gave him a little money, you can't know the exact amount of my money. So quantifiers are used to show the number, the quantity of the words they are used with. But we should pay attention to the nouns they are used with, as nouns are generally divided into 2 groups: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. If the nouns are countable, we can use the quantifiers many, few, a few, several. For example, we say many problems. I don't have many problems. Do you have many problems? So we can use many in question and negative sentences. Many means a number of, a large number of, but the opposite of many is few. She has a few problems. It means she doesn't have any problems. She will come in a few days. A few means 2 or 3. She will come in 2 or 3 days. Several is the same as a few. We can say several days or a few days. She was here several days ago. Only a few. Only a few has a negative meaning. The village is very small. You can see only a few houses there. Few has a negative idea. It means not many. She isn't happy. She has few friends. But a few is more positive than few. She has a few friends. She is happy. Little, a little, much. We use these quantifiers with uncountable nouns. But make sure that you know the list of uncountable nouns. Much. It's used especially in negative sentences and questions. I don't have much money. I can't buy this car, it's very expensive. Do you have much time? So let's solve this problem. Little. It has a negative idea, it means not much. I have little money. I can't buy anything. But a little is more positive than little. It means some, a small amount. I have a little money. I can buy something. There is a little water in the glass. I can't give you water. There is a little water in the glass. You can drink. Only a little has a negative meaning. We must be hurry. We must be quick. We've got only a little time. It means we have almost no time left. You can also use the word so with many, much, little, and few. You can say so many friends, so few friends, so little money, so much money. Can you buy this car? It's so nice. No, I don't have so much money. A lot of, lots of, and plenty of. These quantifiers are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. You can say a lot of books or a lot of water, a lot of people or a lot of time, plenty of people, plenty of time. You can use a lot of in positive sentences, in negative sentences, and also in questions. I have a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time. Do you have a lot of time? So we can use a lot of, lots of, plenty of with plural nouns and uncountable nouns. Plenty of people, plenty of time. Lots of people, lots of time. You can also use the word such with a lot of. Such a lot of people. The street was crowded. We saw such a lot of people there. She is very rich. She has such a lot of money. So I hope you could learn the quantifiers. You can use them with countable and uncountable nouns. Practice them in your conversations. See you next time.